Tracking the vaccine at 5, the U.S. is approaching a major milestone in the COVID-19 vaccine. The White House says by the end of this weekend, nearly half of all adults should have their first shot.
The CDC says nearly 42% of the population over 18 has received at least one dose of the vaccine. The agency also now projects there will be about 20,000 fewer coronavirus deaths by May 1st. This represents a slight slowing of the death rate over the next 3.5 weeks. More than 556,000 people have died from COVID-19 in our country. Those are the latest numbers coming from Johns Hopkins University.
And we've been asking you to submit questions that you have about vaccination process. And one of the most common questions that we are seeing is, what are the side effects?
Fox Carolina's Margaret Ann Carter answering that through her firsthand experience on getting the vaccine this week.
Well, it's been about 24 hours since I had my first dose of the Moderna vaccine, and I can tell you my arm is incredibly sore, I'm fatigued and a little achy, and this is what I've heard from just about everyone who's had the vaccine. So I wanted to learn a little bit more about these after effects. The CDC says the most common side effects are arm soreness, itchiness, and bruising at the site of the shot. They also report feeling tired with a headache, muscle pain, chills, fever, and nausea. Now, these reactions often start a day or so after the vaccination, but can last up to a week. According to the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology, some rare effects include COVID toes, which is when your toes turn purple, and a measles-like rash. But these are rare and brief side effects of getting the Pfizer-BioNTech and Moderna vaccines. While skin reactions to the vaccine can occur as long as they start more than 4 hours after the vaccination, they're generally not life-threatening, which is why you're asked to wait 15 minutes before leaving the vaccination site. Now, the studies that were done between December and February before the Johnson & Johnson vaccine had been authorized, so it was not included in this study. Also, according to a study done by King's College London, if you've already had the coronavirus, like myself, your reaction to the vaccine could be more severe as your leftover antibodies recognize the virus and immediately go to work fighting it off. Back to you.